You're not going to talk to me? Just reading for the goods, huh? Just reading for the goods. Alright, hi guys. So I am hella annoyed because the top part of my phone, or the part up here, doesn't work. So I can't post stuff. You're like, Lyric, it's just... But this is my life. I post stuff. I promote for companies. And I want to know what you guys think. Of course, I'm gonna... What's Juneteenth? I'm on Instagram. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me show y'all. So I click to post, right? Oop, oop, oop. Let me just go ahead. Oops. Oh, Lord Jesus. Alright, so let's say I want to post that picture. Why is it this thing focusing, right? Like, I can't click next because the top part of up here isn't working. See, I'm clicking next, nothing. I mean, I know I can, but I'm just worried about my feet hanging down again. I think I'm going... No, so but I'm going to just wait until next week and start filming next week, just to give my foot time to go down, because the edema is going down on my foot. But my feet be dry as hell, honey, because I ain't put no lotion on or nothing. I'm back in about a week. A week. So, Jonathan, if you drop my beat here. Alright. In about a week, I'm gonna have to go up by you. Jonathan, I'm doing something. Went up by you on Monday to do to check Jalil's weight because he was born 4 pounds. And I was saying to Jeremy, it's so weird that I'm doing all this with Jalil because I didn't do it with Jonathan. And Jonathan also was born in like a preemie body, but he wasn't preemie, he was just born small. And then Jeremy says because of the preeclampsia, so they're looking at it like the preeclampsia caused it, which it didn't. Oh God, I wish someone just read my files. So I'm just annoyed with just everything. At the point of this recording, Dr. Bamber called me this morning because I've been sending him my readings for my pressure, and when he called, I knew something was up. But he is so professional, honey, so professional. So he called. He's like, I was like, what happened? He's like, oh no, nothing, madam. So what's the pressure? I'm like, okay. I tell you, Dr. Bamber is more sweet here. Dr. Bamber more sweet like sugar. So after now, I get to my parents and say, yeah, there's a video, circulating on YouTube, and you want to take it down. I'm gonna say no, why, and girl, you need to, like, the attitude that you guys think you get here, and when I'm on like recording for you guys, is nothing in comparison to like the natural attitude. So I'm gonna say no, why. Because there's faces in there and stuff. I'm like, that's a lie. That's a lie. There's no face in there. There was a hand in there and somebody's back. No face not in there. Nevertheless, I took the video down. I private it. When I edit it, I take out the woman and the woman. Oh, don't be upset, my baby. Don't be upset. I take out the woman and take out the woman back. Hold on, Tamar. Hold on. I take out her and her back, and when she does talk to me, I distort her voice. Oh, talk to me. Oh, what happened? Alright guys, so today is Friday. I'm not late. And I have 1 errand to run today. 2 errands. I have to go to the bank because the thing is in my name. And after that, I'm going to ask Jeremy to ship 2 packages that should have been shipped 3 weeks ago. I've been keeping the customers updated, but they follow me on Instagram too, so they know that I just had Jalil and basically recovering. Lord, it's so hot. Okay. Yeah, so I'm sweating, but I'm doing okay. I'm just waiting on the ride. Excuse me, this is dark. This is dark. Guys, so those are my feet. The swelling has completely gone wrong, but I don't know if you can see, this foot is way more swollen than this one. You see that? Excuse me. And at the top, like up here, so like up there, so at the top, still a little bit swollen. And it's like when I like flex, I say my foot look like old. I don't know why they look like that. So yeah, the swelling is going down. Jonathan? So yeah, it's going down. So thank God. So this is the big scar that you guys saw that had the lines. It's healing up quite nicely. Quite nicely. Let me show you guys what Dr. Bamber said I should use. And it's like an ointment thing. It's called Superoxin. This. That's what it's called. Come on, stop. So that's what it's called. That's what I've been using. Also, what I do, this is going to be a little bit weird, but I actually used Inca pads, you know, like the Inca pads you guys use them for your pets abroad, that little paper they can spread on the floor, and like they can make a mess like poo and pee without it messing up the floor. It's blue and white for you guys. I use an all white one, and that's what I sleep on. So I put on my ointment, and I don't have on anything down there just so that the cut there can get as much air as possible. And from last week to now, that's what I've been doing, so I can get air. And this week is like my recovery. So from last week to now, the recovery has been really good. Blow scope. What's your bumper? Ratty, the care front tear off the blouse and skirt.
Really? Send them to me because I actually want to see. Yeah, man. Because I was looking for it. Somebody just sent me one a while ago.
Hey guys. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. What are you doing?